Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I want to show you guys how I am going to fix this mistake right here that I made. I basically had a title right here and I had a spelling error on it. So I didn't realize that until actually I filmed my video, my Trashy Tuesday video, where I show you guys how I made this flower and how I actually used a mailer, an Amazon mailer, for the cover of this journal. Okay, so I have a video there, and then when I saw the video, I realized that I have a misspelling. So what I did was I went back, of course, and I fixed it. I think I just missed the B in remembering. So I fixed it and then I cut it out, but I actually have two different sizes. I have one that's a little bit smaller and then one that's a little bit bigger. So I just cut it out, and basically if you ever make a mistake with your titles, I basically just pull this off, at least as much as I could, and just trying to redo that part. You can probably fix it by gluing maybe layers on top. Here I'm going to try to just peel off as much as the white as I can, and the rest will be covered, so that's going to be fine. So now I have this part here, and I think I'm going to cut some of the sides down because it's still a little bit bigger. Okay, so it still is a little bit bigger than this one. Let's see what else I could do. I think that I'm going to ink it first. And I think if I bend it a little bit and give it a little bit of like dimension, I think it'll look better on here. So it's not so flat. See that? I think that's what I'm going to do. I do that with my, when I layer pieces, especially words. I've done that before where I just bend it up a little bit. And I think I'm going to use, I might use some, let's see, like these pop-up dots. Well, they're actually pop-up squares that I have. Let's see. Okay, so they're kind of a mess on here, but I can use some of these on here. And it gives it some dimension, and I actually like that. Let's see how that's gonna be. I'm actually going to try to remove some more of this because now that I'm giving it dimension, you can kind of see the white part. So I'm going to use a needle and try to scrape some of this off. Okay, so I don't like the way it's coming off, so I'm thinking maybe to remove this whole piece. Okay, so there's my piece. I just removed it, and I'm going to just replace it with some new. And this is what I use. It's just some ribbon, and I can just grab a piece from here. And I'm going to cut off the edge. Let's see. And add it on there instead. Okay, I think I want it a little bit bigger actually, so we are going to do this again. And this little piece right here, this could be used. It's like the wire piece. And that I'm going to set aside. Okay. So I have this. Now, do I want it straight or do I want it to? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add some. I'm going to add some distress ink to the top to kind of give it some more contrast. See how that stands out a little bit more than this now? I like that. Okay. Now I'm going to add some glue to the back of this. So, and I use Fabri-Tac because I like the strength of it. I'm still trying to think, should I go like this and still add that dimension? Or should I just keep it straight? I'm not sure. Let's see. Oops. Okay, I'm just going to do a little bit. Give it just a little bit of that dimension. And then I'm going to add this here. I probably should have glued this part down first, but that's okay. I'm actually going to flatten it. I think I like it better like that for this one. I do use that technique in some of my words, but I think that this one looks better like this because it already has some lift from the pop-up sticker. Okay, so that is how I fixed my my error. And so if you do something and you don't like it, always remember that you can actually peel parts off and then cover them back up. And that's just kind of what I did here. I hope you guys enjoy this really short little fix, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.